Have you ever heard the theory that our Milky Way is colliding with another galaxy? A thought that seems straight out of a science fiction novel, isn't it? But what if I told you it's not as far-fetched as it sounds? You see, in the grand scheme of the cosmos, galaxies colliding is a relatively common occurrence. But when we say common, we're talking on a cosmic scale, where time is measured in billions of years. Our universe is a vast expanse, filled with galaxies that are constantly in motion. They whirl and twirl, drawn together by the irresistible force of gravity. Sometimes, this cosmic dance brings galaxies so close that they end up colliding. These are not violent, fiery crashes, as one might imagine. Rather, they are more like slow, graceful mergers that take place over billions of years. Now let's bring this cosmic concept a little closer to home. Our Milky Way, the galaxy we call home, is not immune to these celestial events. In fact, scientists predict that our galaxy is on a collision course with our closest neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. Andromeda, with its trillion stars, is hurtling towards us at a speed of about 110,000 miles per hour, but don't panic just yet. Remember, we're moving in cosmic time, so this collision isn't expected to happen for another 4 billion years or so. And what a spectacle it will be! This grand cosmic event will reshape the night sky as we know it. But the question remains, what will this mean for life as we know it? Will our solar system survive this cosmic clash? What will be the fate of our home, the Milky Way? So, what happens when our very own Milky Way collides with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this cosmic conundrum in the next chapter. The Andromeda collision, in simple terms, is a titanic cosmic event set billions of years in the future. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into this astronomical phenomenon. Picture two colossal cosmic entities, the Andromeda galaxy and our very own Milky Way. They are not static, they are in constant movement in the vast expansive theater of the universe. Currently, Andromeda and the Milky Way are about 2.5 million light-years apart, but they're getting closer with every passing moment. Yes, you heard that right. The Andromeda galaxy is on a collision course with ours. This cosmic tango is set to climax in about 4 billion years. Now, 4 billion years might seem like an incomprehensible span of time, and that's because it is. In human terms, it's an eternity and a half. Yet in the cosmic calendar, it's just another day at the office. So what makes these two galaxies hurl towards each other in this cosmic dance? The answer is gravity. Gravity, the invisible force that keeps our feet on the ground, is also the driving force behind this impending galactic collision. It's the cosmic glue that holds galaxies together, and the cosmic pull that brings them crashing into each other. Now let's talk about the distances involved. When we say that galaxies collide, it's not like a car crash on the highway. Remember, space is big, really big. Even though Andromeda and the Milky Way are set to collide, the stars within them are so far apart that they will simply pass by each other. It's like two swarms of bees merging together, with each bee representing a star. So with this cosmic event set billions of years from now, are we in danger? Should we start packing our bags? Let's explore this further. Will this be the end of life as we know it? A chilling question indeed, but one that requires a deeper understanding of the cosmic ballet that is our universe. As we've discussed, the Andromeda galaxy is on a collision course with our home galaxy, the Milky Way. But what does this mean for us and for the fate of our galaxy? Let's start by assuaging some fears. While the term collision might conjure images of a cataclysmic crash, the reality is quite different. The vast distances between stars mean that it's unlikely our solar system will be directly hit. In fact, the chances of a star from Andromeda hitting our sun are so minuscule, they're practically non-existent. Instead, the collision will be more like a cosmic dance, with the two galaxies pirouetting around each other, their gravitational forces pulling and tugging until eventually they merge into one. This process will take billions of years, so there's no need to cancel your weekend plans just yet. And what will be the result of this intergalactic waltz? A new galaxy will be born. This galaxy, a product of the Milky Way and Andromeda, will be unlike anything we've seen before. It's a process of cosmic evolution, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. But what about us? What about Earth? Well, by the time this cosmic event takes place, our sun will be nearing the end of its life cycle. It'll expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth as well. But this is a natural progression of stellar evolution, not a consequence of the galactic collision. So, in the grand scheme of things, the Andromeda Milky Way collision won't be the end of life as we know it, but rather a new beginning, a fresh chapter in the cosmic storybook. So, rest easy. The Sun, Earth, and the rest of our solar system are not in immediate danger. What evidence do we have that this collision will occur? You may wonder. Well, the answer lies in the intricate and fascinating world of astrophysics. The foundation of this prediction rests on the study of the movement of galaxies. By observing the light from distant galaxies, astronomers have discovered that the universe is not static, but rather it's expanding. The Andromeda galaxy, our closest spiral galaxy, is on a collision course with our Milky Way, moving towards us at about 70 miles per second. But how do we know this, you ask? The answer is Doppler effect, the same principle that makes a car engine sound different as it approaches and then passes by. When a galaxy is moving towards us, its light shifts to the blue end of the spectrum. When it's moving away, its light shifts to the red end. This color shift allows astronomers to measure the speed and direction of a galaxy's motion. Now, you might be wondering, what's propelling Andromeda towards us in the first place? The answer lies in the invisible yet powerful forces of dark matter and gravity. Dark matter, despite being unseen, makes up about 27% of the universe and influences the movement of galaxies. If you are interested in learning more about dark matter, check the link in the description box below to watch our previous video, Universe's Invisible Glue. Its gravitational pull, along with that of normal matter, is what's setting Andromeda on a collision path with the Milky Way. Gravity, the force that keeps our feet on the ground, also plays a crucial role in celestial dynamics. It's the glue that holds galaxies together, and it's the puppeteer behind the cosmic dance of galaxies. In the grand theatre of the universe, the Andromeda Milky Way collision is a performance that's been rehearsed for billions of years. The movements of these galaxies are orchestrated by the combined forces of dark matter and gravity, playing out in a slow cosmic ballet. So, the evidence is clear and the science is sound. The Andromeda galaxy is indeed heading towards us, driven by the relentless forces of the universe. So the collision is inevitable, but not imminent. As we've learned, the Andromeda collision is a future event of cosmic proportions. It's a dance between galaxies, a waltz choreographed by gravity over billions of years. This isn't a dance-off ending in a dramatic crash, but rather a graceful merging, a joining of two celestial bodies into one. The Andromeda collision is inevitable, that much we know. Set in the far future, 4 billion years from now to be exact, we're looking at a cosmic event on a scale beyond human comprehension. It's a testament to the vastness of the universe and the mind-boggling timescales over which it operates. In the grand scheme of things, our human lifetimes are but fleeting moments. When Andromeda finally does arrive, it's unlikely any humans, or perhaps any life as we know it, will be around to witness it. Yet, despite the seemingly distant and abstract nature of this event, there's no immediate danger to us or our planet. Our solar system, nestled comfortably within the Milky Way, isn't expected to collide with any stars or celestial bodies from Andromeda. Even as galaxies collide and merge, the vast distances between stars ensure that direct impacts are incredibly rare. So, while it might make for a dramatic science fiction plot, the reality is far less catastrophic. What's remarkable is that we can predict this event at all. Our understanding comes from countless observations, meticulous calculations, and a deep understanding of the laws of physics. From the redshift of Andromeda's light, revealing its approach towards us, to the detailed simulations that show the likely outcome of the collision, science has given us a window into the future of our galaxy. So, while Andromeda's approach might seem like a cause for alarm, it's really just a testament to the ever-changing dynamic nature of the universe we live in. It's a reminder that we're part of a much larger cosmic story, one that's been unfolding for billions of years and will continue to do so long after we're gone. It's a story we're privileged to understand, even if just a little, thanks to the power of science. We hope you learned something. If you did, like this video, subscribe to our channel for more content.